Welcome back to another JavaScript tutorial. Today, we learn how to compute the sum of all digits that occur in a given string. This program involves extracting numerical digits from a string, converting them to numbers, and summing them up. For example, if the input string is ABCD 12 EFG 9, the program identifies the digits 1, 2, and 9 and computes their sum, which is 12. This exercise is useful for handling mixed and data and performing numerical operations on strings. Let's dive in. This problem requires us to extract numerical digits from a mixed string and compute their total. For example, in the string ABCD 12 EFG 9, we find the digits 1, 2, and 9, and the sum is 12. Similarly, in W3 resource, the only digit is 3, so the output is 3. This helps us practice string manipulation and type conversion in JavaScript. Here's the code to solve this problem. First, the function SumDigits from string takes a string as input and initializes a variable dsum to store the sum of digits. Second, a for loop iterates through each character in the string. Third, inside the loop, we use the regular expression digit class / to check if a character is a digit. If it is a digit, we convert it to a number using the parseInt and add it to dsum. Finally, the function returns the total sum of digits in the string. This approach ensures that we process each character systematically and accumulate the sum of digits. Let's break down the steps of the program. We start by initializing the variable dsum to 0, which will hold the cumulative sum of the digits. We use a loop to iterate through each character in this input string. For each character, check if it's a digit using the regular expression the digit class / If it is a digit, convert it to a number using the parseInt and add it to the sum variable dsum. Here are two examples to demonstrate how the program works. First, for the input ABCD 12 EFG 9, the digits are 1, 2, and 9, which sum up to 12. Second, for the input W3 resource, the only digit is 3, so the output is 3. These examples illustrate how the program systematically extracts digits and computes their total. The ES6 version simplifies the syntax by using let for block scope variables and an arrow function for cleaner code. The logic remains the same: iterate through the string, identify digits, convert them, and add them to the sum. This version is modern and adheres to best practices in JavaScript. Let's analyze one more example. For the input hello 5 worlds 3, the program extracts the digits 5 and 3. The sum is 5 plus 3 is 8, which is the final output. This example shows how the program handles mixed strings accurately and computes the sum of the digits. In summary, this program demonstrates how to extract and sum digits from a string using JavaScript. It is a practical solution for scenarios where you need to process mixed data and extract the numerical information efficiently. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.